So today we're going to go on an adventure of planning. In order to have a successful adventure, you need to do at least a little planning. It can be as simple as a note on a napkin or a note on your smartphone to remind you, to an Excel spreadsheet, or what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make what I call a barefoot whiteboard. Whiteboards in the store can cost you $200, $300. But if you go to Home Depot, Lowe's, or your True Value hardware stores, you can just buy yourself a piece of whiteboard for about $11. It'll be about 3 feet by 5 feet. You can cut it up. You can make 2, 3 whiteboards of different sizes. I like big whiteboards, so come with me and we're gonna go make some whiteboards. Many hardware stores will have a culled lumber bin. A culled lumber bin is when something's been damaged or curved and they can't sell it for full price. In this case, I was able to buy 12 feet of 1 by 3 for $1. So that's a real good find. I was able to use this to make a border for my whiteboard. This is the marker board that I purchased. It was $11 for a large sheet. I used adhesive to hold on the border frame, and of course, safety glasses and hearing protection.
Clean it up in the springtime.
But as always, Miko had other ideas.
Outside the fence.
We had to do some playing first.
And it's beat up pretty good. Got a crack, but it's the best frisbee we got. And Miko and I have not played frisbee in a long time. This is my first throw of the frisbee season, about to launch us into disc dog stardom. Yay! Yay! Okay, here goes. First, I want you to go through my legs 3 times and then go catch the frisbee. Hold on a second while I get ready. Okay, 3. I'm building a patio, by the way. Good boy, Miko.
Okay, so can't find my tape measure. But who needs a tape measure? I don't need a tape measure. I just need my board. And correction.
Come close to the edge.
You do need a tape measure, and you should measure twice. Always measure twice, cut once. Putting on my hearing protection and my safety glass rated glasses. So we're good to go. So when I'm done, I'm actually going to drop these top pieces down about halfway and cut those to fit. Glue it on. We're good to go. Let's glue these up. So I marked off every 2 inches down each of the long sides with just a little dot. Then I cut this 20-inch wide piece of wood to use as a ruler. And so now I'm going to just make some guidelines
to help me keep my handwriting very neat and legible.
So I love this whiteboard. Since this was filmed, I've used this to make a board to help me prepare for the fishing season, getting my boat in line. So hope you build a whiteboard one day and enjoy it as much as I do.